Welcome to our virtual tour of the state-of-the-art semiconductor manufacturing facility. We will explore the silicon wafer manufacturing process and see how advanced ultrapure water analytics play a crucial role in preventing wafer defects and improving quality and yield. The use of UPW analytics during polishing is indispensable for defect prevention, yield maximization, and compliance with ever-tightening purity standards of advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Real-time monitoring of resistivity, pH, and TOC ensures that the water used in polishing doesn't become a source of contamination, protecting both product quality and manufacturing efficiency. During photoresist, UPW analytics safeguard against contamination, ensure process consistency and precision, protect yield, enable immersion lithography, and support compliance with rigorous industry standards. In the Epitaxy step, ultrapure water monitoring is vital due to the extreme sensitivity of the process to contamination and the direct impact it can have on device yield and performance. Maintaining water quality is necessary for providing the conditions required for high-quality crystal growth, minimizing defect formation, and ensuring high device yield and reliability. UPW quality during photolithography is crucial in maintaining the ultra-clean conditions required for precise pattern transfer, minimizing contamination-related defects, and ensuring wafer yield and quality. Throughout etching, resistivity, pH, and dissolved oxygen monitoring is indispensable for maintaining the ultra-clean conditions required for precise and reliable pattern transfer and for minimizing contamination-related defects. Advanced analytical sensors are necessary in stripping to ensure the complete removal of unwanted layers and to prevent the introduction or redeposition of contaminants during the stripping process. High UPW quality in ion implantation safeguards water surface purity, which is essential for precise doping, device reliability, and high manufacturing yield. Not monitoring UPW risks contamination, potentially undermining the entire semiconductor fabrication process. Water analytics in the CMP step are indispensable for removing slurry residues, controlling metallic and ionic contamination, and ensuring compliance with semiconductor industry standards. Without rigorous UPW analytics, CMP-induced defects would render advanced wafers non-functional. Ultrapure water monitoring during wafer cleaning is non-negotiable for advanced semiconductor manufacturing. By ensuring UPW purity, manufacturers prevent recontamination, optimize cleaning processes, and safeguard yields in an industry where just a single defect can render a wafer useless. Thank you for joining us on this tour. METTLER TOLEDO Thornton's process analytical sensors are integral to ensuring the highest standards in silicon wafer processing. We are proud to be part of an innovative industry that drives technology forward. For more information about our products and solutions, please visit our website.